how to put the legs down, how to switch the gas, set the water up and all that, and then we'll go inside and show you all the different things inside there as well. Okay? So first things you want to do when you get to site, obviously you choose your pitch. If you're with a camping and caravan club, they tend to show you to your pitch and make help you get onto the actual pitch. Whereas the caravan club tends to say, well, there's a few spaces there, go and find it. Yeah. You can go and find it, or obviously if you're on any other site, you may do the same or slightly different. So when you're back onto your pitch, have a look, see if it's how level it looks. Because if it is not level side to side, you're going to need to level it up first before you move off. Probably the best thing to do is, if you're quite handy on the reversing, use a vehicle to get it onto the pitch. What you could do to level it up side to side, you could either get these plastic ramps.
We've got some.
Yeah. So probably the best thing is to pull it up onto the ramp if you can.
Yep.
So if you can get it a bit further back on the pitch than you normally where you're going to position it, then drive it up the ramp rather than try to push it back up, because that starts pushing back on that, it operates the brakes, which will release after a while, but obviously it's starting to give your clutch a bit of work. Obviously just make sure there's nothing at the back of the pitch that you're going to hit if you do go a bit further back than what you normally would. Okay? So once you've done that, checked it side to side, the only way, obviously as I said, you can put them on blocks or ramps. Then once you've done that, then you need to get the vehicle out of the way. So handbrake on first, disconnect all the different things, like the breakaway cable, the cable. I'll run through it. Have you towed trailers before?
Well, make sure you drive it possible.
Oh. It's a slightly different connection, I would have thought. Not quite the fifth wheel really. But,
no, but
so
principle's the same.
Yeah, so obviously lift that up out of the way off the car, move the vehicle out of the way, then you can use the jockey wheel. So use that, just wind it up or down to level it. Obviously spirit level is a quite handy thing to have. So just wind it up or down until you get it level, then you need to wind the legs down. So with you have got winder handle.
Yeah.
The really useful thing to have, if you've got a cordless drill at home, I'll just try and find mine where it's hiding.
The attachment.
Yeah. So if you